Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is a beautiful wall sconce that will elegantly enhance any home decor. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Here are the materials you'll need for this DIY, and they will be listed in the description below. We'll begin with spray painting this vase from the Dollar Tree. Keep in mind, any color schemes from any of my DIYs are entirely up to you and your decor. There's definitely lots of room for versatility. From children's toys at Dollar Tree, I purchased this woodshop build and play car that has pieces for assembling. I will glue two of the wheels together and spray paint them the metallic silver as I had done with the vase. To embellish the wheels, I'm now gluing diamond wrap around them. You will soon see what I'm using this wood piece for. I like this set of glass tea lights from Dollar Tree. I will glue one glass tea light centered on one of Dollar Tree's beveled round mirrors. Using E6000 for a strong hold over time, but for an immediate hold for the making of this video, I will also use hot glue. I will now glue the embellished wood wheels centered on top of the back of the tea light. Setting the mirror aside for now, it's now time to work on the vase. If you've seen my metal floral wall art video, I used metal floral wind chimes from Dollar Tree, cutting off the metal bell that hung below it with wire cutters. I used the flowers for the wall art, and now I'm using the bell as the bottom or butt of my wall sconce, gluing it with E6000 and hot glue for an immediate hold. It turns out this bell was a perfect shape and color for this project. It goes very well with my home decor. For added embellishment, I'm adhering a single acrylic gem with the point of the gem facing outward, giving the bottom of the wall sconce a beautiful descending finish. Using the seam of the glass vase as a guide for placement, I will glue seam side down onto the wood wheels I previously spray painted and embellished with diamond wrap. I'm again using E6000 and hot glue for adhering. But before going on further with this project, you must allow it to dry for at least 24 hours. I also suggest using a stronger glass binding glue if you can find it. Here is what we have thus far after everything set for 24 hours. Initially, I was going to use this candle holder, but decided to use the smaller cracked glass candle holder from Dollar Tree, which is lighter and I think prettier for this wall sconce. I also did not use soap and water to remove the label because the cracked glass may retain moisture while I'm working with it. This is the reason I chose to use an X-Acto knife. And I'm wiping it off with a mildly damp paper towel. For embellishment, I'm using this glass stretchy beaded bracelet, also from Dollar Tree. I'm placing it to the bottom of the candle holder before I adhere the candle holder to the vase, and then I will hot glue each bead while still strung together to the seam between the vase and the candle holder. Here I will glue one row of diamond wrap at the top of the wind chime bell and under the seam of the mouth of the vase where they meet. I will now add glass beads on the ribbed mouth of the vase above where the wind chime bell and the vase meets, using the same method as before, but I will cut the excess beads off only when I have hot glued my last bead. This row of beads slightly overlaps the one row of diamond wrap, giving it a unique but beautiful embellishment. How beautiful this has turned out. As you can see, I've created another wall sconce like it and found a perfect place for these beautiful decorative pieces. After removing the feet off the bottom of the mirror and cleaning it with glass cleaner, I will add 3 Velcro command strips on each and display my completed look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. If you'd like to see more of my creative ideas, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you won't miss out when my videos are uploaded. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye for now.